If you have the knowledge that people are constantly asking you about, you don't have to turn it into another one-on-one session. You can package that knowledge into a digital product and sell to more people without having to be available every time someone wants to learn from you. That could be an ebook, workbook, template, PDF, course, audio file, video file, or even a bundle of resources. And with Coachli, you can upload it, create your product page, set your price, and start selling it from your Coachli profile. Let me show you how. Once you're logged into your Coachli Creator dashboard, go to Store on the left-hand side of your screen. Click Create a new product. This is where you will start adding the details of what you are selling. First, add the product information. Give your product a clear name and description so your audience immediately understands what they are getting. Once you've added your product information, you will get to the pricing section. This is where you decide how you want people to access your product. You have a few options. If you want to give it away for free, select free. This gives customers free access to the product. If you are selling it as a one-time purchase, select single fee and enter your default price. You can also enable automatic currency conversion. This means your default price can automatically be converted into other supported currencies, including currencies relevant to your customer's location. You can manage your supported currencies from the Manage Currencies option. Next, you will see your product settings. Here, you can choose to hide the product from your profile page if you don't want it publicly visible yet. Request your customer's phone number during checkout, or redirect customers to a URL after purchase if you want to send them somewhere specific once they've completed their purchase. Once you are satisfied with these settings, continue to your cover page. Your cover page is what helps your product stand out, so make sure it represents what you are selling. Coachli recommends using a horizontal image that's at least 1280 by 720 pixels, and if you don't have a cover ready, you can use one of the free cover image templates available on Coachli. Next is content upload. This is where you add the actual content your customer will receive. You can upload multiple files, including PDFs, videos, audio files, and docs documents with files up to 100 MB. Add your files and give them a moment to finish uploading before moving to the next step. Once your content is ready, you can add add-ons. Add-ons are optional extracts that your customers can choose to purchase alongside your main product. For example, if you are selling an ebook, you could offer a workbook or template as an add-on. The price of any add-on they select will simply be added to their checkout. Next, we have automations. This is where you can set up actions that happen automatically when customers interact with your offering. You can select from an existing automation or create a new one. If you don't have any automation set up yet, you can always come back to this section later. And finally, we have the checkout form. Coachli automatically collects your customer's first name, last name, and email address. But if you need more information before someone purchases your product, you can add your own questions here. For example, you could ask what they hope to achieve with the product, where they found you, or any information that's relevant to what you're offering. Once you've reviewed everything, you are ready to save and publish your digital product. You will be automatically provided a product link you can share to start making sales. So if there's something you know people are willing to pay to learn, don't keep giving it one conversation at a time. Package it, put it out there, and give your audience an easy way to buy it. Sign up on Coachli and start creating your first digital product today.